In this guide, we're gonna see how to format an SSD using disk management on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, open Disk Management by right-clicking on the Windows Start button and selecting Disk Management. Find your SSD in the list of available drives, then right-click on the partition you want to format. Click Format from the drop-down menu. Now, in the File System drop-down menu, select NTFS, which is best for Windows devices, exFAT, best for Windows and Mac compatibility, and FAT32 only for small devices, like USB drives. Leave it default unless a specific size is required, then check Perform a Quick Format for a fast format. Just click OK, then OK again to confirm, and wait for a few seconds for the formatting to complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.